So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is UTSAV from channel Tech is Alive. So in today's video, I am going to show you a pre-installed video editing app for free. Yes, it is completely free. You don't have to sign into that app. You just go and start editing and upload wherever you want. So where is that app? Where is that app? We want to download it or we want to buy like something? No guys, you don't have to download it. It is pre-installed in your PC or computer. If I say that, you will be in shock. So what you will do? Yeah, you will just do some recording and just like I am now recording that video. I am screen sharing now. So how will you edit your videos? I am using Premiere Pro, you can see here, but I will use only. But if anybody don't want to download this type of app because it is very complex and very tough, so what is this? Some easy, free, and you don't have to sign in or download in that software. So what you will do? So just record any video and just download it to screen share. Download it to screenshots. So what you will learn? I am just taking a screenshot of my screen. So let's go to this PC. Then pictures. It is not okay. So here's the screenshot. You download any video in the screenshot. Then what you will do there? So just double click on that. So this type of screen will appear on a screen. So here are many options like zoom, delete, favorite, rotate, or what is this, crop, share, and print. Many options. So how you will edit? Here is the editing software pre-installed. It is very interesting. Let's go to here. Here are many like effects and very much tools like edit, draw, add 3D effects. These two are new. Yeah, add 3D effects, add animated text. So where we will go? We will go to create a video with music. Yeah, this is the pre-installed editing software. So let's click it. So here is that editing software. I will skip that. Here is the editing software. You can see it is something like Filmora line, and here are many options. Like you can see, add title card, duration, text, motion, 3D effect, filter, and maximize screen and rotate, delete, and more options. So where we will customize the videos. So here is that timeline of this video. There is a project library and anything. So where are the pre-installed music? So they are here. You can see background music, custom audio, finished video. So let's go to background music. Here are many background music, you can see. Here are like hundreds of background music. So let's go to some background music and let's show you how they are. They are very cool. So listen to this. You can just see how good these songs are. It will make your video like amazing, and the people also will like your video very much. So I'll just go back. So this is that editing software. It is pre-installed. You can see here is nothing. I am not signed in this app, but it is allowing me to download, finish videos and anything. And it will create a video for you also. If this is a screenshot, it will create a video. So it is amazing. So guys, if you like this video, please like this video. And if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe this channel. I will teach many tutorials about like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Dimensions, and AI, and many more about tech. So please subscribe my channel. If anybody wants a pre-installed editing app, so please share it to your website or anywhere, social media, everywhere. if somebody wants this channel, or please share. So thanks for watching and goodbye.